Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagbanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka paret but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license arn riu khandai pra. Kom kajing ay man siya migi Samla Pule bakin nang lep hasyu haki jing Pule ki basyajarong u ba Alexander L. Heck ubolong u menteri ke Sarkar Jilla haka arpulai tere ujileo arhajar fulai ula Pynkup Burom ya ki Samla Pule ki basyang wasa apok shnong ki baha apok Pynthorumkhrah Constituency ki bala pas baha haka examen secondary school leaving certificate but higher secondary school leaving certificate arhajar fulai bala penbena result dangshen da Meghalaya Board of School Education hakani kesengi bala Pynkup Burom ni Samla ka BJP 14 Pynthorumkhrah Mandal kala rakhiru ke jingdap khandai snam ke jing sichar jong ka Sarkar National Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka Bharatiya Janata Party hakari India.
First is the death anniversary of the late Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, who was the founder of the Bharatiya Jansan of the BJP. And also we have the program of the tree plantation. Before we come to the hall, a short while ago we had completed the tree plantations to celebrate the World Environment Day. Also we have a program of the 9 years development and achievements of the NDA governments under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji. And also, the very particularly we had organized the appreciation, the token of appreciations to all our young students who have fared very well in the last examination of class 10 and class 12. So congratulations to each one of you. Friends, today we are here, we are assembled, all of us we are assembled here with one goal and one missions. That is to build up our career. I'd like to tell to our young students today, those who have really came out with the very flying colors in all the exams that we have been just concluded, whether it's class 10 or class 12. Of course, we are also very proud of you. Of course, yourself, your parents, and everybody. But I'd like just to remind you once again that this is the steps as a first journey to take to your career trajectory. How to build up your career, how to shape up your life. We are all here, the parents, your teachers, particularly the parents from the all walk of life. Many of them, they are not coming from the well-off family. But they are working very hard to ensure that when the children are going to school, they meet all their ends. They provide all the requirements. They are working in a different capacity in their life, but ensure that children are going to school, they are going to the college, they accomplish their studies. The teachers, many of our teachers, the private school teachers, they are getting very minimal salary, but even then, they will sacrifice their life to ensure that they are given the quality and the best educations to our children. So we must thank them. But how to thank them? Not only to say thank you teachers, thank you our parents is not enough. But I'd like to remind you, every one of you, each one of you who are gathering here today, how to thank your parents, how to thank your teachers, how to thank your mentor. It is you have to build your personality. You have to you have to see you a great personality in the society. That is the thank you have to give to your parents, your mentor, to your teachers. And also I'll request the parents, the teachers, when they guide to your sons and daughters, they're going to further studies and all, you should know what is the career trajectory. What is the demand driven in the society. Cannot go on simple to just follow the conventional studies. You have to know where the market is there, the demand driven is there, where the employment opportunity is made is available for the career, the future of our young students. Today we have seen in the last UPSC exams, Meghalaya fared very badly. We have only one who came out successfully from the entire states of Meghalaya. The other state, the small state like Mizoram, the Manipur, Assam, everywhere, at least 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, they have cleared the UPSC. But we still be lacking behind. We should see this, where we are lacking behind. Why we are behind? Laid back. So therefore I remind to us, all the students, you have to be very, very, that now these days people are talking about hard work, study hard. I'm telling you, both you have to apply the smart work and the hard work simultaneously. You have to go together to achieve your goal, to accomplish your missions. Smart work and hard work simultaneously you have to do. You have to work.
0.6% are securing 79.8% from Medicaid girls and cities, 7.8% from St. Andrews Rise. Shadisha Rokajar Assam securing 86.2%, Urban Young Kumari securing 82.8% from St. Andrews.
Jamie Man Apomor 57, Chris Chirito